Hey guys, good to go again. Now this OSP back. Now I'm going to be showing what known as try to explain to you what again you have to learn, which is known as web age, webcam age, and gender, what known as recognition. Now mainly here what we tend to do, we are trying to make give an application whereby it can detect the gender of that given person and even if possible the age. Now if you look at me at the moment, because I don't know why, but it's giving me a lot of age. I don't know, maybe I need to start changing the meal so that I go back to my normal age. Because now if you try to predict, trying to take my age to be 40, approximately 44 years. I don't think I'm there, but then that's it. Now let me just make my colleague try to pick it and try to see. Now if you try to check there that the point remains that it tends to peak. Now it may not give the accurate kind of the dimension. That's why you see up down here try to give you trying to calculate the real accuracy using the Johnson files, or one known as JavaScript. Like I said earlier enough that you have to at least have some basic of your JavaScript to understand this concept. Then with the Python which I just pick the API. Now if you try to cross check here, it's just trying to pick on calculate the difference. You may find that you're either below by 5 or it adds you by 5 years. But then on the gender, I think you can see all of us trying to give us male. Now if I told you have any picture like for a lady, let's pick one. So if you just going to try with a picture for a lady and then you try to see if it can detect that, and you see. So I just wanted to sense that will it pick validly or no. So I think now you can see it as it's trying to pick. If you try to give it some time, it tends to pick to reduce on the given person's age. And if you become annoyed, it's going to raise more, like you see. So it's definitely going to 50. So if you try to stabilize a bit, it goes back to normal. So let me just try to show with this one here. So we just try to make this kind of big. If I just try to pick this, now the light's too much, kind of. Just try to see. I think you can see now it is sensing that person is female and it's trying to detect the person. You get? It's trying to detect the person. And the person is giving 22. Wow, that's great. So guys, that's it. So I think you guys now you have discovered something with us. So you guys, I just wish you guys next time, make sure please you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And make sure if you know you're within Uganda, please just make sure you come to OSP Digital Solutions. OSP Digital Solutions, so that you get to know how to learn what known as machine learning. Now I've just given you a simple demo. So guys, if you really feel like you love what I've happened to show you here, make sure please you subscribe down to our video, and please make sure you subscribe also to one known as one known as the guy called one known as Syntax video. So guys, thanks for watching. You can also follow us on your YouTube and our video and on our Facebook. So guys, thank you. Love you all. Thank you.
Oh my God.